Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that t of x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 equals x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by 12x. And we're interested to get t of x only, given the bunches of domain. The initial domain was x plus 3 over x minus 3. I want to reduce it to only x. How to solve this is very simple. So if you consider the solution, we will apply the substitution method. Let's try and reduce x plus 3. If I let x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 equals another letter, let's say I choose t, and I'm going to make only x the subject of the relation here. If we divide this one by 1, we are going to have x plus 3 equals, we cross multiply and we have t into bracket of x minus 3. And then let's open this parenthesis at this right hand side. Here we have x plus 3 equals t times x, that gives us tx, minus t times 3, that is 3t. And let's collect the like terms. Since we need x, so there is x here, we have to combine this together. Let's take this minus 3t to this side. We have x plus 3, then plus 3t equals tx. And again, let's transfer x to other side. We have 3 plus 3t equals tx minus x. So after getting this, let's try and take out x here. We have 3, also bracket 1 plus t. So this is decision by taking out t, 3, equals, let's take out x. We have x bracket t minus 1. And we divide both sides by t minus 1, so that we have x equals 3 into bracket of 1 plus t divided by t minus 1. This is what we have, as we make x the subject of the relations. Let's come back to the given questions. So looking at this problem, we can see that if you try to divide this domain, x is not equals 3. That is the first thing you have to consider. And looking at this side as well, if you have to check 0, our x here is also not equals to 0 because of this x. Then we have to replace every single x with 3 into bracket of 1 plus t divided by t minus 1. But before we do that, from the other side, we have, this is t into bracket of small letter t equals, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. That one is given as x plus 3 all raised to power of 2. So if we expand x plus 3 raised to power 2, we get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then everything divided by 12. It will now be easy for us to substitute every single x here, as we have it as 3 bracket 1 plus t over t minus 1. And we substitute it into this one. Then let's try and replace the first one, which is x plus 3 all raised to power of 2. So firstly, single-handedly solve this. Let's replace every single this with this. So here we are going to have open bracket 3 into bracket of t plus 1, then divided by t minus 1. So this is for only x. Then plus 3 all raised to power of 2. Then we have, let's expand this out. If this is 3 over 1, we find the LCM. So 3 times t, we have it as 3t, plus 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. Then plus, we have to multiply t minus 1 by 3. That is 3t minus 3 divided by t minus 1, all raised to power of 2. Next, we have plus 3 minus 3 cancelled. And here we have 3t here, and this is also 3t. So 3t plus 3t, that gives us 6t divided by t minus 1, then all raised to the power of 2. So by rule of exponent, we are going to have 6t raised to the power of 2 and also t minus 1 raised to the power of 2. In the next step, we have 6t squared, that gives us 6 squared and t squared. And 6 squared t squared, we have it as 36t squared divided by t minus 1 all raised to the power of 2. So this is for only x plus 3. And again, for 12x, we are going to have 12x equals 12 into bracket of the whole of x is given as 3 into bracket of t plus 1 divided by t minus 1. So here we have 12 times 3, that is 36 into bracket of t plus 1 divided by t minus 1. So let's couple this together. We have 12x and we have x plus 3 squared. We got this for this and we also got this for this by dividing both sides. So every x plus 3 squared is given as 36t squared divided by t minus 1 raised to the power of 2. Then divided by, and the whole of 12x is given as 36 into bracket of t plus 1 all divided by t minus 1. And by rule of reciprocal, we have 36t squared divided by t minus 1 all raised to the power 2. We change this one to multiplication. Then t minus 1 will move up, then followed by divided by 36 into bracket of t plus 1. So 36 cancelled 36, and here is t minus 1 in 2 times, and this is only t minus 1. This cancelled, we have only t minus 1 here. And next, we have what remains here is only t squared divided by, here is t minus 1 and here is t plus 1. So this seems like difference of 2 squared, as we have t squared over t minus 1 multiplied by t plus 1. This gives us t squared minus 1. So this is what we have for t of small letter t. So when we put it together, we have t of t equals t squared divided by t squared minus 1. And changing this one to x, we have t of x equals x squared divided by x squared minus 1. We have two different things here. For the first one, where we have t of x plus 3 over x minus 3 equals x plus 3 all squared divided by 12x. Suppose we want to verify this. If I let x here equals 7, we have this as 49 over 48. And if I let x equals 4 here, we also have 49 divided by 48. So this is how we stop. See you in the next class.